Selena, Class 10, Chapter 18, Tangents and Intersecting Chords. Theorem: if two chords of a circle intersects internally or externally, then the product of the length of their segments is equal. When chords intersects internally, chord AB and CD of a circle intersects each other at point P, which is inside the circle. Then PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. When chords intersects externally, chord AB and chord CD of a circle when produced intersects each other at point P outside the circle. Then PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Theorem: the angle between a tangent and a chord through the point of contact is equal to an angle in the alternate segment. Take an example: a circle with center O. Tangent PQ touches the circle at point A. Through A, the point of contact, chord AB is drawn. Then BAQ is equal to BCA and BAP is equal to ADB. If a chord and a tangent intersects externally, then the product of the length of the segment of the chord is equal to the square of the length of the tangent from the point of contact to the point of intersection. Chord AB and tangent TP intersects each other at point P outside the circle. Then PT square is equal to PA square into PB square. PT square is equal to PA into PB. Exercise 18B, sub number 1, first part. In the given figure, 3CP is equal to PD equal to 9 cm and AP equal to 4.5 cm. Find BP. Since two chords AB and CD intersects each other at point P inside the circle, then PA into PB is equal to CP into PD. 4.5 into PD. Since 3CP is equal to 9 cm, CP equal to 3 cm. So 3 into PD is 9 cm. PB equal to 3 into 9 upon 4.5, which is equal to 6 cm. In the given figure, 5PA is equals to 3AB equal to 30 cm and PC equal to 4 cm. Find CD. Since two chords AB and CD intersects each other at P, AP into PB is equal to CP into CD, PD. But 5PA is equals to 3AB equal to 30 cm. Means 5PA equal to 30 cm, PA equal to 6 cm. 3AB is equal to 30 cm, AB equal to 10 cm. BP is PA plus AB, which is 6 plus 10 equal to 16 cm. Now AP into PB is equal to CP into PD. 6 into 16 equal to 4 into PD. Implies PD equal to 6 into 16 upon 4, which is equal to 24 cm. CD is equal to PD minus PC, which is equal to 24 minus 4 equal to 20 cm. Third part. In the given figure, tangent PT is 12.5 cm, PA is 10 cm. Find AB. Since PAB is a secant and PT is a tangent. PT square is equal to PA into PB. PT square 12.5 square is equal to 10 into PB. PB equal to 12.5 into 12.5 upon 10, which is equal to 15.625 centimeter. AB is equals to PB minus PA, which is equal to 15.625 minus 10 equal to 5.625 centimeter. Sub number 2. In the given figure, AB is the diameter, chord CD of a circle meet at P. PT is the tangent to the circle at T. CD is 7.8 centimeter, PD is 5 centimeter, PB is 4. Find AB. Okay, first part. PA is equal to AB plus BP, which is equal to AB plus 4. PC is equal to PD plus CD, which is equal to 5 plus 7.8, which is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Since here we have PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. PA is AB plus 4, PB into 4, PC is 12.8 into PD is 5. Therefore, AB plus 4 is equal to 12.8 into 5 upon 4. AB plus 4 equal to 16. AB equal to 12. Find the length of tangent PT. PT square is equal to PC into PD. Therefore, PT square is equals to 12.8 into 5, which is equal to 64. PT is equal to 8 centimeter. Sum number 3. In the following figure, PQ is the tangent to the circle at A, DB is the diameter and O is the center of the circle. If angle ADB equal to 30 degree and angle CBD equal to 60 degree, calculate first part QAB. PAQ is the tangent and AB is the chord. Therefore, angle QAB is equal to angle ADB, which is equal to 30 degree. Angles in the alternate segments. Second part, angle PAD. OA is equal to OD. Therefore, angle OAD is equal to angle ODA, which is equal to 30 degree. OA is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, angle PAD is equal to angle OAP minus angle OAD, which is equal to 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. Third part, angle CDB. Since BD is the diameter, therefore angle BCD is 90 degree angle in a semicircle. In triangle BCD, all the three angles sum is 180 degree. Therefore, angle CDB is equal to 60 plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Angle CDB is equal to 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. Sum number 4. If PQ is a tangent to a circle at R, calculate first part angle PRS. Second part angle ROT. Given O is the center of the circle and angle TRQ equal to 30 degree. PQ is a tangent and OR is the radius of the circle. Therefore, OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, angle ORQ is 90 degree. Therefore, angle ORT is 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. In triangle OTR, OT is equal to OR. Therefore, angle OTR is also 60 degree. which is STR is also 6. OTR, which is STR, is also 60 degree. Angle PRS is equal to angle STR. S is the chord and PQ is the tangent. Angle in the alternate segment, which is also 60 degree. In triangle ORT, angle ORT is 60 degree, angle OTR is 60 degree. Therefore, angle ROT is equal to 180 minus 60 plus 60, which is equal to 180 minus 20, which is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle ROT is equal to 60 degree.